Hi everyone, I'm Annie here. This video is to show you the August kit, and actually it's a hand crochet purse with the beautiful trim set, and then we have two colors choice. And because I finished this cream yarn, so I use the white to make this. So yeah, some of you will receive the cream, and some of you will receive the white one. So now I show you what you will receive. Okay, this is my hand crochet purse, and the two side pocket here, and underneath I just layer with the muslin fabric. And I didn't sew this, I just glue this together. So I use this beautiful flower and tie the bow here for the crochet. So you just untie this, so you will put this beautiful trim and with the wooden spool. So I show you that we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 different type of this beautiful trim, all very beautiful color, all is in one yard. Okay, this color and this color. So we have all this here, and I show you the back. Yeah, also you all know crochet is the time consuming project, so I take time to do this finish. Okay, and this is the back layer, and then we have different of this beaded trim in different color, and one of this ribbon flower I just put here, and you have the blue, and this is the like a ivory color, and this is like a yellow, white, sorry, I think I put wrong. This is the one in it, and you have two different this is a pale pink, this like dusty pink. Yeah, I put wrong color, luckily I checked. Okay, and this is the green. So you have 6 of these different color for this. Okay, so yeah, this is the set of this August kit for permanent member. So you can use all this to do your project. Beautiful. And this, all you need to do is just I just glue this. Actually, yeah, if you want to use this doily with to make another project, so you can just remove the glue, just and you can use it to do your others project. I just use this to make a purse like so back. Okay, and this is the white one. Actually all the same, the item is same, but just the doily bag is white color. So yeah, this is two different color for this August, and I will pack everything and ship the July and August kit together, and next video will show you the September kit. Okay, thanks again for your support and your patience to wait for all the the kit done, and I will pack everything and ship it out by next coming this week, by maybe Wednesday, coming Wednesday or Friday. Thanks.